AI is gonna take over the world, and if you are not gonna implement that, and just you're just leaving the money on the table, the leads, the tool will only save you hours but completely transfer how your business attract and close your clients. So let's dive in and uh, so everyone, just I'm gonna tell you the tools that you need to know to transfer your business actually, and like let me tell you again also, if you're not using this, you're just leaving the money on the table, and you should know this. So that's why I'm just creating this video. So hey, I'm Alex Patro, founder of FPG Media, and I help business scale through cutting edges or AI powered lead generation. Whether you're struggling with outreach or drowning in repetitive tasks, this video will show you the tools we use to generate quality leads, boost ROI for our clients. If you're ready to supercharge your sales pipeline, hit the subscribe button now, right now. Turn on notification because we're gonna cover a lot. So let's dive in. And so start with the zero work, automating your outreach. Okay, so first step on our list is to zero work, the ultimate weapon for automating repeat tasks like lead scrapping and outreach. Like imagine extracting data from Google Maps, Instagram, Facebook groups in minutes. Like let me tell you, instead of zero work, you can use N8N, like N8N. It's an automation by AI. You can use, instead of zero work, you can use N8N, and this is also AI tool you can use with zero work. Also, you can automate cold DMs and emails, ensuring every lead is qualified and nurtured. So no more manual drudgery. The smarter, faster results. So want to full walkthrough zero work? Let me know in the comments below right now. So again, in future maybe I'm gonna guide you to help you in that. Actually, okay. So the second tool that is called the Fireflies.ai. So like Fireflies means smarter meetings, because someone uses Loom videos. They try to personalize the outreach to, whether it's a tool that records, transcribe like Fireflies, it's not, sorry for that. Fireflies is smart meeting. Like we have Fireflies. It's like a note taker. Actually, it's a note taker, a tool that records, transcribe, and organize all your virtual meetings, whether it's Zoom, Google Meet. Fireflies capture every detail and even summarize action points. For our industry like ours, we use Fireflies to improve sales training, track client goals, ensure no detail get lost, no details gets lost actually. And pro tip: integrate with tools like Notion to create a centralized dashboard for all meeting notes. Try to have implement Notion to your agency actually. Let me tell you again. If you want to use zero work, your ultimate weapon for automating repeat tasks like describing outreach, you can extract data from Google Maps, Instagram, Facebook, and you can automate cold DMs and emails actually. So yeah, you can automate emails also through an automation through make.com. You can just go for instantly, and from the instantly you can buy some emails, like professional emails. You're gonna cost you around $5, I think. Yeah, from $5, and from the $5 you can put that money and buy the emails, and from that money you can implement mac.com. It's an software, AI software, and from that you can automate the process, and you can automate the deals actually, and automate the cold emails. So yeah, that's also an way you can use to get clients. That's all. So yeah, this is the two methods that I like, two AI softwares that I have told you till now. Let's dive in. This is actually the look. It looks like the Firefly looks like this. Sorry for that. where I can remove this. So okay, so okay, Firefly looks like this. If you want me to go through this, I think the picture quality is not so good, so for that I will try to make sure in the video. If you want me to do that, just comment right now and I'm gonna teach you everything. Okay, so Replicate, a personal video outreach. Let's talk about Replicate, a game changer for personalized video outreach. Instead of spending hours creating Loom videos for potential clients, Replicate uses AI to generate custom video audits. Yeah, what I'm trying to say, man. So for that, so it even pulls in data like company names and past performance and along you to hyper personalize your pitch. This has significantly boosted our response rate from this to this. This is the, yeah, you can do it too. Okay, it'll for you too. And this is the third I will say third AI software. Yeah, software you can use. And the fourth, the one is the point voice and appointment setting board. So manual appointment setting is completely dead right now. If you are just thinking that I'm going to generate the leads from Facebook and or Google Ads or whatever it is, after generating the leads, you need to nurture that leads. You need to talk with that leads, talk with them actually. So you can hire VAs also, like virtual assistants. But instead of that, you can automate the process through AI. You can save a lot of money and lots of time. So yeah, what is that? In AI power SMS and WhatsApp appointment setting, instead of like the leader in AI power like manual appointment setting is dead completely. And point voice, the leader in AI power SMS WhatsApp appointment setting. With point voice, bots handle the back and forth with prospect, qualifying leads, booking them directly onto calendars. In our test, it was 3x more effective actually than human appointment setter. It's a must have for scaling lead generation without increasing costs. So I will say do it right now. Use mac.com like to integrate all these things. So that's I will say. So this, like, I can tell you more before diving into the last point. Use high level. High level also is the best tool you can use if you are an agency owner. If you are an agency owner, use high level. It's a go-to platform for agency owners. This is I will make sure like use it right now. If it's not mandatory, also use high level. Build website for your agency, build website for clients. It's a full-time automation you can use to for a client, automation for yourself, to build CRM for your clients, to automate the process. This is a go-to platform. This is a platform to automate all the works. Just go there high level, define the things, automate from point voice, automate from Firefly, like everything. Just automate the process and integrate it into high level. That's all I will say. And if you want me to go to like create a video on all that, just comment right now and I'm trying to create that in future, not right now. So these tools are just the beginning of AI. So AI is the future, you already know that, and the sooner you adapt, the faster you'll outspend competition. So if you want me to implement this system in your business or learn how to leverage AI for lead generation, check out the link in the description or email me at augustspothill1628@gmail.com. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more actionable insight. I'm not gonna say see you in the next video, but happy holiday. Like if you want me to implement this, just comment. You can reach out through Instagram, you can reach out through LinkedIn, you can reach out through Twitter, you can reach out to me to anywhere, or you can book a one-to-one call. you can just book in right now in the description below, or maybe you can outreach me anywhere. I'm available in WhatsApp also. So that's all. You can email me also if you want me to, like if you want to, for your business actually. And that's all. See you in the next video. Till then, happy holiday.